The most unexpected item in my bag is... I'm Whitney Port, and I'm going to spill it. This is a Loewe bag, spelled L-O-E-W-E. I'm like always bad at pronouncing designer names, so I made sure that I knew how to pronounce it before coming in here. So I want to be an organized bag person, but I'm more of like a throw it in there kind of person. I don't know, I feel like as I'm getting older, I'm like getting more organized because like the messy me just frustrates me, but I feel like no, everything is pretty much just thrown in. Let's get into it. This is my like little makeup bag that really comes with me everywhere. Today, since I'm shooting stuff, like it has a bunch of essentials that I would need, like day styling cream for like my wispies. I have some Fleur Ameline hand cream, House Labs Bio Blurring Loose Setting Powder for like any shine, which I'm sure I'm like really shiny right now, I didn't use. Always have a scrunchie. Slip scrunchies are the best. My hair is just like so fried, and so I'm trying to just be gentle with it and using silk scrunchies. Tower 28 Little Mini Spray. This is the SOS Daily Rescue Facial Spray, and I just use it throughout the day, and it's really, really healing. Brushes for powder, an Ursa Major face wipe. Next are my Bose headphones. I use these to meditate throughout the day or listen to music or like listen to a podcast. Okay, this is fun. When I just want to capture like fun moments, I have my little Instax mini camera. I have like a fun little folder of all these pictures, and I don't know, fun for Sunny to use too, like a good thing for him to use when he's bored and I don't want to give him a screen. Speaking of Sunny, I have like a crumpled up piece of his artwork that I told him I would keep safe, which I definitely didn't. I need to like iron this somehow. I think he was drawing like his Roblox screen. Like I think these are his characters, and then this is like a keyboard. Okay. This is just like a notepad where I just keep my to-do list. I noticed that I really need to cross things off and have like that action of writing and whatnot. Sunglasses. These I actually got for my best friend for her birthday, but she said they didn't look good on her, so she just gave them back to me. Okay, so I did this collaboration with the Butcher's Daughter. I'm like need to snack girl. I always like have to have a snack on me. I think just as a mom and as a woman that wants to take care of herself. So we did this trail mix and it's so good. It's crunchy and sweet and tart and delicious. I have my little light for my content needs. Okay, this is a parallel cycle support pack. So these are vitamins that you take. You started on the first day of your period, and it's basically like 1 to 2 supplements per day based on where you're at in your cycle. And then Cetaphil skin cleansing cloths, like use them either for my face or for my hands. Like these are definitely a necessity when I travel. This is like an aroma spray. It's called Florida Water, and it's something that my best friend gave me, and it's supposed to kind of provide this like calming scent. So let's see like if it works. I think, I don't know, it just like forces you to take a deep breath too, which is a necessity for all of us. So Timmy got me this Gucci wallet for my birthday, I think like 3 years ago. It's a collaboration with Ken Scott, and just like cute and flowery, and love that like he thought of me when he saw this. Okay, juicy fruit. I love juicy fruits. No, it's not good for me. It's just like a fun nostalgic thing to have. I have a couple stones in here. I'm not like a stone person either, but my therapist has this like bowl of stones in her office, and last time I was there, she told me to take some, and she said usually the ones that you take, like look them up, and they signify something that maybe you need more of. I honestly didn't look into them yet, but it feels nice to just like hold them and feel how smooth they are, and it like gives you a little bit of like a mindful moment. And they also make like a nice little noise. So this is supposed to be on my keychain, but it's actually pepper spray. So this is something that Timmy just makes me carry. I feel like I forget that I have it, but I feel like we should all have it. The most unexpected item in my bag is infused hemp like slash THC gummies. These are just like so good to have. They're like easy to grab in your bag. Each gummy is only 1 milligram, so you can totally just like dose yourself and it not be like too crazy. These are just fun for me like at the end of my day. Takes the edge off a little bit. If you want to check out like anything that I'm up to, you can listen to my podcast with Whit or head to my YouTube. I'm just Whitney Port on YouTube. To watch more videos like this, subscribe here.